Hi guys, I'm Irish Chor. I'm here to help you give a tip of advice how to remove or lighten up your dark spots. So you can use it naturally, but if you want to expend some expensive monies, expensive products, you can use it. But for me, I want natural. So you see, you can use lime. So lime is yellow. So you can use lime, lemon, orange, or anything that rich in vitamin C and E that can get your skin fairer or skin and remove dark spots. So cotton balls, you need cotton balls. You need towel. You need a towel that really absorbs much. By the way, then you can use warm water. Just apply here on the towel. Next, you can use lotion. So, I'm here to help you or guide you. So, let me try and give you some tips back. So, first of all, so this is the cotton. So, make it circle and dip like that. So, it's yellow. So, take it purely that one. So, after you're done dipping it, so rub it to your dark spots or anything else. Not on just knees, you can use on elbows or whatever you want. So this one. So this one. They are so dark. So after you're done applying it, use towel with warm water. Rub like that. After you're done doing that, you can use lotion or apply lotion that's rich in vitamins. So one like that, and this one. Rub like that. So rub like that. After you're done rubbing it, so you're done. So by the way, then it's too easy and it's too complicated. So the tip of that. After you're done applying the lime on your knees or in dark spots, just take it and keep it for 10 minutes because the vitamins on your skin really needs to absorb that and absorb. After 10 minutes, you can use the towel with hot water and then rub it to your dark spots or rub it when does you apply the lime juice. After that, apply the lotion. So after you apply the lotion, that's all done. So you cannot see the best result of this after applying the lime. You can use or you can see the best result of this is 2 to 3 weeks. By the way, then my problem is I have a Christmas party next week. So it's really a huge problem to me, but I started using this last week. So I think that's had the best result of it. So just continue using it, but it depends on you. It's really great if you use it on night, but it depends on you, on your mood, how you use it on night, evening, or morning. But for me, the best is night. You can use the best of night. So just keep out of the sun. Don't go outside with sunny because here it's snowing. So I bet you I can go outside, but I don't want to because it's very cold. So I hope this is the lime. This one. So lime, lemon is rich in vitamins. You can use this. So if you want to comment or ask anything about this video, so comment, or if you want to request some video, you can message me, but first subscribe first, and I can make a video just for you and with the same problems like I do, like you do, anything. So if I'm going to make a video this coming week, if I had the same result and best result, I got it because my Christmas party is coming next week. So my next video will be how to remove your old scars. So keep watching my videos, and I can give you the best shot or best advice how to remove your problems on your skin, because I'm graduating dermatology, so I know it. So thank you. This is Irish. So have a nice day, everyone. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe. Thank you.